6th, 2024. Happy New Year. And I just got home from work, so I'm trying to do it before it gets too dark. We had we've had some rain out here. A lot of rain last night, so the beds are pretty wet. We had a lot of rain, so the beds are pretty wet. So this is our early garlic, our California early garlic. If you saw the short where it was just like a little, it wasn't even coming through the straw. Well, here they are. They have peaked. And right next to them, those are kale. I'm thinking these are kale because this plant and this plant and this plant, I lost the tags for. But I know these here, these two in front of here are karabi. Yeah. So I'm thinking this is a green onion, or it might be the onions that I grew from set, and I pulled it and did just pull the top but didn't pull the actual set. So that's what's going on. Nothing much is going on with the green stock. Strawberry plants are there. I am still planting them into the runners, into those little boxes, those little planters right there. Yeah, that's the comfrey. You can see it has little new plants coming out in the middle, and I'm just allowing that to just die in the ground. Let me go to straw. We got the parsley is still going strong, and I just harvest some turnips. You'll see in another video. And these are also some California earlies. These were planted on December 9th. So everything is coming up pretty good. Yeah. See all that beautiful green? And we have our beets over here, and I did not start the beets on the deck. I will. And we have our carrots coming up also. Oh, and these bags over here in the back, those are filled with leaves from the front that my husband and the kids collected from our front yard. So I have also a video that I need to do, because I haven't done it yet. I need to put up another bed in the watermelon patch area. So we have our lavender. This is the that's the green onion, and the parsley is still there. We have our berries over here. It's a lot of things that's gonna need to, I'm gonna revamp in this garden. So here's our cabbage. It look gorgeous, right? So in the next video you see, I'm gonna be doing a little cleaning up. I'm gonna take off some of these cabbage leaves, the lower cabbage leaves, and I need to give them some phosphate. Yeah, the middle number. That one. Actually, I'm gonna give them some Captain Jack 10-10-10. I'm giving them an equal, a balanced fertilizer. So here go our some more California earlies. I ran out of space to put them. I didn't really run out of space to put them. I just didn't want to start a brand new bed, so I just put them in here with the cabbage. And this is not a cabbage. This is collard green. That's a collard green right there. Yes. So let's go over to the other bed. And this bed has our elephant garlic in there. That's the elephant garlic that was planted on December 2nd. And it also has some Swiss chard. This is the yellow Swiss chard and the white Swiss chard. And it was a red Swiss chard, but I don't think it survived. And it also has our leeks in there, and they're doing a lot better. They look good. And it also has a couple of weeds in there also, just a little bit. So this is the elephant garlic we have here. Let me see right here. I don't know why it's taking so long, because I guess because California early comes up that fast, but the elephant garlic, it's there, which is not really a garlic. It's in the leek family. And I don't know, it has like 2 coming out of here. I know I only planted 1 in that spot. And we have it here. right there. I thought there was one here. Yeah, there is. There should be one here. It wasn't. Because I believe I plant 1, 2, 3 like that. So these are all here. You have some green popping out. Just give you a closer look. Right there. And then our beautiful leeks are there also. And this is a green onion. So also in this bed we have Brussels sprouts. And this is a green magic broccoli. It's small because I put it out late. I didn't put it out the same time I did the other ones. But 5 of these are supposed to be Brussels sprouts. This looks like a Brussels sprout. This looks like a Brussels sprout. That looks like a Brussels sprout. That looks like a Brussels sprout. This, correct me if I'm wrong, but is Brussels sprouts, because this is my first time growing Brussels sprouts from starts. Not starts, from seed. That looks like harabi, right? I don't know. Is this supposed to look like that? Because the other Brussels sprouts, oh, they do. Maybe that's just tall. Oh, look. Look at that. We have little Brussels sprouts on there. Oh, my God. I'm excited. Yes. 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 You better get it, Sharon. Forgive me. Forgive me. I'm just extra with I'm excited. My first fall garden, and I see Brussels sprouts. How awesome is that? Maybe these two are kohlrabis, but look at the... Oh my gosh! Somebody please tell me, am I supposed to like cut off? Do you see that? Brussels sprouts are forming on my Brussels sprout plant. Amen? Somebody please let me know. Am I supposed to cut off these lower branches? These lower leaves? Oh my gosh. Yes, Lord. This is broccoli here. I don't know what's taking them so long. Oh, you do have pieces of broccoli. You do have some broccoli in there. But these are pretty short broccoli plants. So it's 3 over here. And this is chestnut red. Our chestnut red garlic is here. I planted these on December 2nd also. So all of that is chestnut red. I need to cut back some of these leaves, which will take place tomorrow. All of that is chestnut red. And look how beautiful. Look how awesome they are. They're coming up really nicely. And of course, my struggle. I harvest the 3 cauliflower. This is one of them. There's no leaves I can save on that. But I don't think I can use that cauliflower. These are my red cabbage. You see, the struggle is real. They're trying to form a head, but they're not doing it. So tomorrow I'm going to come and take off all of these leaves, at the lower leaves, and give them some more food. I harvest the top of that broccoli, but you see we have side shoots coming out, so we're going to leave that plant in there. And of course the carrot bed is here. And we have, I totally skipped past the onions. Let me get back to the onions. This is the onions that we started. I know I did not put, what do you call it? I did not put the straw on there. So God willing, tomorrow I will put straw on there. Yeah. Another onion, onion bed. They don't look bad. They look horrible. No. So that's my little harvest basket. We'll talk about that in another video. So look at this. This is supposed to be a Brussels sprout, right? That's what the label says. But do you see that? I think that's a kohlrabi. See? Long Island Brussels sprout. And then on the other side, this is the one that had double-sided. It has Golden Acre. And it has the same date that it was planted. Golden Acre cabbage. That's another one of our red cabbage. This is some more cabbage over here. I harvest that cabbage that was there. That is a not a snapdragon. Golden Acre cabbage. These are some more Golden Acres and Wakefield cabbage that I planted. They're not ready. They're not ready. And we have our pak choy here. I harvest some pak choy. I'm gonna harvest some more. And spinach. I harvest a little bit of our spinach. This was another cauliflower I harvest, but it has the same affliction. And is this leaf good? Yes. No, wait. This leaf. Yep, this leaf is good. We're taking this leaf. We are taking this leaf and we are cooking it. Amen. So broccoli is here. I had taken off the top of this broccoli and it has side shoots coming up. So this is about to flower. I'm gonna wash this and eat it right now. So we have all these little side shoots. I'm gonna collect them tomorrow. Parsley, some more broccoli. Broccoli side shoots are coming out of those as well. Broccoli. These are cauliflower, and here's a little baby cabbage and some more broccoli, and the parsley is here, and carrots are here. So I'm gonna harvest some carrots also. It's time for those carrots to come out. This is the asparagus. So I am going to also clean these up, clip them down and clean them up tomorrow. And I always forget the peas over here. So once I clean up these leaves, cut these leaves off, and I'm not throwing them out. No, I'm keeping them. Once I take these leaves off, I am gonna give way to allowing the peas to actually run up here. And I believe tomorrow, if I have enough time, I am going to put roll covering on. I think that's about it. I think we covered everything, right? Look at this bird in my bed. Don't run now. Picking in my bed. So that's, oh, let me show you. These are the green onions. Green onions. Yeah. Lemon that I should have put up there in the greenhouse, and rosemary plant. And all this water I'm going to, these are the grape plants in there. All of this water that's collected in these things, I'm going to pour it into my bucket, into my rain collector. So that's about it. One more thing. This is the bed that we put the compost in place that had the sweet potato, this one, and the one right next to it. We put the compost in place. That was a pumpkin that I purchased fall to decorate the house. The kids were going to carve it, but never got to it. So we just put it up as decoration. Then it started, dissolving. So I put it out there. So we might have some pumpkin in this bed next year. So I know you're supposed to, when you put your compost in place, you are supposed to cover the bed with mulch and make sure it stays wet. And the mulch is going to be the one to help us do that. So it's getting dark. Yeah. All the lights are on in the house. It's gotten dark. So this is our Georgian fire. This was planted on December 9th. This is a hardneck variety. And the chestnut red is also a hardneck variety. It's the garlic. The hardneck garlic is the one that's going to give us those beautiful, delicious. These hardneck is the one that's going to give us those delicious scapes, garlic scapes. So that's over there and here. And then we, I showed you guys our elephant garlic is over there. So that's it for the garden tour. We have everywhere you see the straw, that's where garlic is. That's where the garlic is. So yeah, everything is coming along fine. So that's about it. We are done with January 1st, January's first fall winter garden tour. So thank you guys for coming along. It's Friday. No, it's Saturday. Let me tell you, I have been busy. So I am tired. I am very tired right now. Anywho, never mind. Thank you guys for coming along. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for all your comments. If this is your first time here, my name is Sharon. I'm gardening in Zone 8A. Welcome to a beautiful jungle.